wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Hollywood wig from Main Attraction. And this color is called Nutmeg, which looks amazing with my waistcoat. But I'm just going to move right into the review of the product. If you want to hear more about the color, make sure you stay tuned to our CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel. That's the name of it, because it's our second YouTube channel. See what I did there? And you know, at least it's easy to remember, and that way you don't miss any of our color spotlight videos. Now let's go ahead and just talk about Hollywood. In fact, better than talk about Hollywood, I'm going to do a 360 so you can see what she looks like on all sides. She does have a lace front, and the rest is perma-teased. I'll show you a little bit more of that in detail when I take off the cap. Before I do that, let me just give you my first impressions of this style. This one, I would say this is basically a boob hugger. I'm 5'8" and it's coasting right on top of the girls here. The nape on this wig is 12.25 inches, so that's why she looks so long, because she is that long. She can have a lot of flyaways, and you might see some of those here. That's because she's perma-teased. Don't let that freak you out though, because by and large, with most of these sorts of styles, especially ones that don't have a lot of short layering on top, this has really long layers, you can almost guarantee that if you wash the wig, that's going to tame the majority of all those flyaways just with one simple wash. Let me go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. This is a standard cap wig with a lace front. It is a contoured lace front, which is great, and it's nice and deep. Goes all the way back to here on me, which is fabulous. She is wefted on the sides and in the back. She's also got an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And she stretches pretty well too. This one feels really nice and comfy on. Let me show you the top of this wig, because the perma-tease is for real on this. It's got quite a bit up there. If that bugs you, you probably won't want this wig. If you don't mind the perma-tease and you think that it's an okay trade-off for all this luscious, beautiful texture, then I agree with you. I mean, she's definitely got a lot of hair, and she's definitely got a lot of volume. You could really play with this one. Give yourself some pretty excellent glam bedhead. Yeah, I like this one. I think that for the price, she's super cute. I love the texture, the fact that it's like this barely there sort of sloppy wave. Really beautiful style. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, and this has been a review of the Hollywood wig from Main Attraction in their Nutmeg color. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you're subscribed, and if not, you can fix that today by subscribing. Check out our store if you get a chance. Again, that's just CysterWigs, but spelled funny. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.